Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Craft Docs. Craft Docs is a powerful collaborative document editor that can help you manage your team's projects and documents. In this tutorial, we will take you through the basics of using Craft Docs, from creating a new document to collaborating with your team and sharing your work with others. Whether you're a new user or an experienced one, this tutorial will provide you with a comprehensive overview of Craft Docs and its features. So please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Craft Docs tutorial. First, if you are new to the platform, you will need to sign up. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct sign up page. First, click on the Try Craft Free button. This will take you to a page where you will see 5 options: download for Mac, download for Windows, download for iOS, launch in browser, and get it from Microsoft. For this tutorial, we are going to click on Launch in Browser. Clicking on the Launch in Browser button will take you to another page where you will be prompted to sign up with your email, Apple ID, or Google account. Simply choose the desired option and follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. Once you have signed up, you will need to enter your first name and last name, and then click on Continue. This will take you to your team dashboard, where you can start exploring the features and functionality of Craft Docs. So after you sign up, you will be taken to the team dashboard where you can start exploring the various features and functionality of the platform. One of the key elements of the dashboard is the left sidebar. This sidebar contains several important tabs, including the option to hide the sidebar, your profile section, teams, and the new team button. The button at the top left of the sidebar is a handy tool that allows you to manage your sidebar. If you click on this button, the sidebar will disappear, giving you more space to focus on your work. This can be particularly helpful if you're working on a small screen or need to minimize distractions. To bring the sidebar back, simply click on the button again and it will reappear on the left side of your screen. First, I'll show what you can actually find in Craft Docs, and then I will show you how we can use Craft Docs. The Profile section is a key feature of the Craft Docs dashboard that allows you to manage your profile preferences. This section provides you with a range of options to customize your account and make it work for you. One of the key features of the Profile section is the ability to manage your account information. Here you can change your name and email address if needed, as well as delete your account if you no longer require it. This can be a useful feature if you need to update your information or want to remove your account from the platform. In addition to managing your account information, the Profile section allows you to set up the appearance of your account dashboard. You can switch between light and dark themes depending on your personal preference. This can be a useful feature if you prefer to work in low light conditions or want to customize the look and feel of your workspace. The Teams tab is the default tab of your Craft Docs account. Once you log in, you will be taken here. You can view all the teams you've created. The tab displays all of your teams in a list format, making it easy to navigate and manage your teams. Once you create a team, it will be added to this tab and you can access it at any time. Within the Teams tab, you can manage your spaces, members, and settings for each team. This makes it easy to organize and customize your workspace according to your needs. You can create multiple spaces within each team, and these spaces will be displayed under the corresponding team in the list format. You can also expand or shrink the spaces by clicking on the drop-down button next to the team name on the left side. In the Team Members section, you can manage your team members and invite new members to join your team. To invite someone, simply click on Invite People on the right side of the section. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can invite as many people as you want, making it easy to collaborate and share your work with others. The Settings section is where you can manage your team details and membership plans. Here you can access troubleshooting guides and other helpful resources. You can also delete your team if needed. This section provides you with the tools you need to manage and customize your teams, making it easy to stay organized and productive within the Craft Docs platform. The New Team button helps you to create new teams quickly and easily. To create a new team, simply click on the Plus New Team option in the sidebar. This will take you through a few steps to set up your new team. In the first step, you will be prompted to enter your team's name. Once you have entered the name, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. In the second step, you will have the option to invite people to join your team. If you want to invite people, enter their email addresses and click on Continue. However, if you do not want to invite anyone at this time, simply click on the Skip option to move on to the final step. The final step allows you to change your membership plan, although this is also optional. If you do not want to change your membership plan, simply click on Exit to complete the process. Once you have created your team, it will be displayed in the Teams tab. Now, to create a new document in CraftDocs, first click on the space you created in your team. This will take you to that space where you can create a new document, new folders, and use templates. Since we are here to create a new document, click on the New Document option. Once you click on New Document, a blank page will open where you can start adding your content. When the blank page is open, the first thing you can do is to add a title to the page in the Page Title section. After adding your title, the next step is to add content to your document, such as bullets, notes, tables, and more. While creating your document, you will see the right navigation panel. Here you can customize your document by changing the font style, page style, view page info, and take specific actions such as adding comments, moving up and down, grouping and ungrouping, renaming, editing, and duplicating. You can also delete your document from this panel. Once you have completed and customized your document, the next step is to share it with others. To share your document with others, navigate to the top right side and click on Share. You have two options, Share and Export. In the Share section, you can share your document with someone through a secret link or invite them through email to view your document. In the Export section, you can export your document in different formats such as PDF, image, and more. With this feature, you can easily share your work with others in different formats. Craft allows you to change the URLs of shared pages to one of the subdomains that you own, but you need to have a business account to do so. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using CraftDocs. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot. I appreciate that. Thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and